Welcome to our Windows tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to set this PC as the default view in Windows File Explorer. By doing this, you'll be able to see your local disks and drives immediately when you open File Explorer, making it easier to access your files and folders. Let's get started. Here's how you can set this. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Click on the View tab at the top and then click Options on the right side. Click on Change Folder and Search Options. In the Folder Options window, under the General tab, find Open File Explorer to and select This PC from the drop-down menu. Click Apply and OK to save your changes and close the window. Now let's test it. Close File Explorer and reopen it. You should now see that it opens directly to this PC, displaying all your local disks and drives, instead of the quick access view. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.